Hey, what's up, everybody? Modest Code here. Sorry this took so long to get out, but I've got all these questions and lots of messages about this bike, and people seem to just really want to know how it's running since I've done so much to it. So this is officially the 5,000 mile update. Actually, today the bike was at 5,945, which is interesting because I pulled the old engine off and put the big bore kit on at 945 miles. So this is actually literally the 5,000 mile update, which happened to be a weird coincidence. So anyways, if you haven't seen any of my old videos on this thing, go take a look because they're essentially telling you all the mods I've done to it. And out of all those mods, the bike is running great. The big question would be, is the big bore kit holding up, reliability, things like that. I've had some very minor issues that I think could happen with even a stock engine, but regardless, it burns a little bit of oil. It's not much, but it does. It does have a little bit of ticking, which I'll show you here in a little bit, but once it gets to about 190 degrees, that actually stops happening for some reason. I've taken the head off. I took it off at 5,000 miles and inspected everything, including like all the way down to the piston. There are no marks on it. Everything looks really good. So I don't know what's going on. I've adjusted all kinds of things. Ticking won't go away. I decided just to live with it. But yeah, it's pretty much it. One day a screw fell out of the air intake and I lost power. I couldn't figure out why, but luckily the screw fell into the engine like grooves, and it stayed there until I was able to pull over and I found it, and I put it back in, and it ran. It was really weird. But yeah, reliable, except for those things. Never really left me stranded by any means. Now, I know I have a lot of money in here, and people ask that all the time, like the parts are worth more than the bike, and yeah, that's actually true. All the upgrades are worth more than what I paid for the Grom, but actually I kind of got the Grom for free. And there's a long story as to why I got allowed to spend the amount of money I have spent on it. But in the end, hey, this is what I was able to get for a situation that I'm in, as well as the amount of money I wanted to spend on it. So do what you can with what you got, I guess. I don't know. But I get a lot of hate for that for some reason. Either way, it is what it is. I love this bike. It's the best bike I've ever had, and I've had quite a few now, but nothing like this bike. All right, so just let it run for a little bit here. Take a listen. So I think it sounds pretty good, but there are definitely those noticeable quirks. Obviously, the one being the ticking that I spent some time showing you right there. I don't think it's that bad. I've gone through and troubleshot a few things like the rockers, maps, timing, things like that, and I can't figure it out, and I just don't care anymore. It does run very well. That sound kind of goes away when it gets in the 190 range, and it doesn't overheat ever. So lots of upgrades in the bike. Cup holder was one of the recent ones. It's a must. That YSS shock, never talked about it in the previous videos. It's a mid-range shock. It works well. It's definitely better than stock by a lot. There are also the Olins in the front. Look at those in a second. There's a light. So I did change the headlight to ultra bright. It's the DC to AC conversion kit. Very awesome. And the Olins, you can see in there. I also put a really loud horn on it. You heard it earlier. It's like a dual horn, like a train horn thing. Yeah, that's awesome too. I love it. I actually wanted to point this out too. You saw it parked in that little small spot. My wife typically parks where the Grom's parked, and I'll pull in from this direction if she's not. And if she is parked in there, I can pull it around to the other side and back it in. But the whole point about this bike is that it's light, it's nimble, you can just manhandle it. So you buy a Grom because it's spunky, it's nimble, it's agile, not because you wanted a 250. Speaking of, I'm about to go nimble this little mofo around my neighborhood for a while. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Sorry this was so low quality. I did it in like 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Grom on. Later.